What's up, everybody? It's your boy Yos. Welcome back to day 2 of the $800 challenge in the week. Yesterday didn't go so well, but it's fine. I made about $40.50. So hopefully tonight will be much better. I do have a Sam's Club order from Spark for $27 for 10 miles. Of course, I would take it's only one order, so I don't have to go to multiple places. Spark also has an incentive. If I can do 5 orders by the time the day's over, I would get an additional $30. So doing 5 orders on Spark is going to be tough, but hopefully I can catch everything at the right time with some express orders, and hopefully things will work out. So I expect today to be a better day, and that's just how we're going to go. So I'll see y'all out on the road. Let's make some money, and let's hit this challenge hard. Pulled into spot number 1. There's one other car available. That's perfect. I think the gentleman walking in probably saw that I was here. So hopefully this doesn't take too long. The only problem with these Sparks from Sam's Club is you don't know what you're getting. So it's kind of Russian roulette on that. But I don't anticipate it being. Some ice, some boxes, drinks. $27, not bad. I need to get some gas though. All right, just got that first one done. Not terrible at all. I don't really know which way to go, but I'm gonna go straight. Hopefully Spark sends me something really good. So, somebody will probably say I was a clown for taking this order, but $16 for 13 miles. Part of it was going to the restaurant, and then one of the drop-offs is a detour, so it does add a couple of miles on it. I can't necessarily blame the customer for that since there's construction going on within their street, so they can't control that. So I decided to take it. I think it's good cash flow. Spark's not really sending me anything that's worth taking besides $40 orders for 11 drop-offs and 30 miles. How can I get a incentive if I'm going to be doing an order for an hour and a half and they close at 10? I only got 3 more hours left. So I took this DoorDash. We'll see what happens. Maybe it's a hidden tip. I don't know. Pizza bag is required, so I do have my pizza bags in the car, and we'll move forward from there. I must send a shout out to this Papa John's here in Liberty. The orders are already ready to go. All I had to do is bag them up and move out. First drop off is 3 minutes away. Pizza POV. Lay this right here. Just got that first one done. Spark has just not been it. I don't know what's going on, but it's all right. That's why I have more than one app. So let's play a quick game and see if the total will be higher. My guess will be that it is, because it's about 4 pizzas and some wings, but I could be wrong. Put your comments below and I'll let you know in a second. So for those of you who said the tip was higher, it was, you can see it right here, it was $12.46. Definitely an odd tip. I think it was done through Papa John's and then they just dispatched it out to DoorDash. But I'm heading back now to Walmart, not Sam's Club, Walmart. Got a $20 order for 7 miles. I could try to pick up another DoorDash, but I don't think it would work out just with timing. So the wheels are still moving, so we're doing good. I've already made more money than I did yesterday, so we're moving up from there. Easy money. So, got that one delivered. Pretty easy. Only 2 trips. Goals are try to do at least one more order, possibly. We're at 2.5 hours. That made $65. So, not bad in my book. Goals are try to, like I say, get a couple more done before it gets too dark out here. I'm trying to be out that late. Hopefully I can make more, so then this weekend I can actually spend time with my wife and not do this all day. But anyways, I'll keep y'all updated on when the next order comes in. DoorDash comes in a clutch. $8.50 for 4.3 miles. Pulling in right now. Hopefully the orders should be ready or getting close to being ready. About to pull on the specified parking and hurry up and get this thing. I am sure you can probably see it is dark out here and your boy is tired. I worked all day and then I come out here trying to make money. Hasn't been a bad night. I've been out for around 3 hours exactly, so that is not too bad. I don't have the totals up front, so I can't really give you an accurate amount. I will leave it at the end with the breakdown of what I made today, how much my hourly was, and what I have left to go. So thank you so much for watching. I know this wasn't a really long video, but I was just out here making money, trying to do the best I can. So I will talk to y'all soon. Check out tomorrow's video where I keep doing this challenge, and hopefully tomorrow goes better. But tonight wasn't bad, so can't complain. All right, y'all, peace out.